Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatos. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Lagos State is a mega city with various opportunities and challenges. With estimation of over 20 million people, it experiences nothing less than 6% population growth yearly. The huge and growing population has pressure on the existing infrastructure, making public infrastructure and services grossly inadequate. However, in order to tackle these huge challenges, the Lagos State government has put in place a strategic transport master plan that recommends an integrated multimodal public transport system which comprises of rail, bus, water transport network for Lagos State. The Lagos State government identified 14 BRT corridors, 6 rail lines, 1 monorail, more than 20 water routes, and a number of road construction to make the city competitive. One of the rail lines in Lagos State is the Blue Line, which is a 27-kilometer rail line which runs from Okokomaiko to Marina. The first 13 kilometers of the Blue Line, which represent the first phase, is scheduled to be completed by the fourth quarter of 2022. When completed, the Blue Line will bring huge benefit to the state, especially residents and business owners along the axis. It will improve and increase efficiency, work productivity, safety, social and quality of life. It is expected to move more than 400,000 passengers daily, hereby reduces the road congestion. Unlike the train system driven by diesel engine, which all Nigerians are conversant with, the Blue Line will be powered by electricity. People crossing the track will no longer be accepted. The Blue Line will use the power known as the third rail electrification system. The third rail works by directly attaching a current carrying conductor to the rail line, which means the entire length of the track will be electrified. That is, the train will be propelled by electricity passing through the rail track, which is about 750 volts, which is about 3 times the power being utilized for domestic use. Crossing the track when the line is in operation early 2023 will mean instant death. I appeal that you make use of the pedestrian bridge which have been provided for crossing the 10-lane Lagos-Badagry Expressway. The pedestrian bridge has the ability to take passengers into the train station, the bus station, and also to cross the expressway.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.